You wake up in the morning, swing your legs off the bed, and before you even stand up, you already feel it. That stiffness in your knees, that heaviness in your calves, those swollen ankles that make your socks leave deep marks by evening. And somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet fear starts whispering, is this just what aging feels like now? But what if your body isn't breaking down the way you think it is? What if the real problem is that your body has slowly stopped rebuilding the collagen that keeps your joints cushioned, your skin firm, and your legs strong? Because here's something almost nobody tells you after 60. Your body is constantly repairing itself. Or at least it's supposed to. But when collagen production drops, everything starts changing at once. Your knees feel unstable. Your feet tingle at night. Your legs swell after simple walks. Your skin bruises easier. And suddenly, even small movements feel exhausting. Now here's the shocking part. The solution may not be hiding in an expensive supplement bottle. It may already be sitting in the produce section of your grocery store. Today we're uncovering 8 powerful vegetables that naturally help your body rebuild collagen, improve circulation, reduce swelling, and support stronger legs and joints after 60. And please stay with me until number 2. Because that vegetable has been shown to activate repair pathways in the body while you sleep. Most people walk right past it without realizing what it can do. Before we begin, I want to ask you something honestly. Have your legs felt weaker in the last year? Do your knees ache more when you climb stairs? Or have you noticed swelling that just doesn't seem to go away anymore? Leave a comment below and tell me which symptom bothers you most. I read every comment, and your story may help someone else realize they're not alone. Now let's begin. Number 8. Zucchini. You probably already have this sitting in your refrigerator right now, and barely think about it. But if your ankles swell by the evening or your knees feel puffy after standing too long, zucchini may quietly help more than you realize. Because zucchini contains silica, a mineral your body uses like scaffolding to rebuild collagen. Think of collagen like the cushioning inside your joints and the support beams holding your skin together. When it weakens, your body starts sagging, swelling and stiffening from the inside out. And after 60, that breakdown speeds up dramatically. Here's the mistake most people make though. They boil zucchini until it turns soft and lifeless. That destroys many of the nutrients your body desperately needs. Instead, lightly roast it with olive oil and sea salt, or slice it raw into salads. Simple changes like this can make a real difference over time, and many older adults report something surprising after eating zucchini consistently. Their legs stop feeling as heavy at the end of the day. That constant puffiness begins calming down. Now let's move to a vegetable that works in a completely different way, because the next one helps restore circulation to aging legs. Number 7. Beetroot. Have you ever noticed your feet feeling cold at night? Or tingling in bed like circulation just isn't reaching your toes properly anymore? That's often your body struggling to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. And without healthy circulation, collagen repair slows down dramatically. That's where beetroot becomes so powerful. Beets naturally boost nitric oxide, which helps open blood vessels and improve blood flow. In simple terms, they help nutrients actually reach your legs, feet, skin, and joints. Because even the healthiest collagen-building nutrients are useless if your circulation can't deliver them. And here's what many people don't realize. Poor circulation doesn't just affect the heart. It shows up first in the legs, heavy calves, cold feet, purple veins, tired legs after short walks. That's your body asking for help. Raw or lightly roasted beetroot can support healthier blood flow naturally. And when circulation improves, something incredible often happens. Your legs start feeling alive again, warmer, lighter, stronger. Now the next vegetable may surprise you, because you've probably eaten it your whole life without realizing what it actually does inside your body. Number 6. Carrots. Most people think carrots are only good for eyesight, but after 60, they may become one of the most important vegetables for protecting your joints, skin, and muscle structure. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A plays a critical role in activating the cells that rebuild collagen. Without enough of it, collagen repair slows down, and your body begins aging faster from the inside out. That's when you notice loose skin, weak knees, poor balance, easy bruising. But here's the important part nobody talks about. Your body cannot absorb beta-carotene properly without healthy fat. So eating plain raw carrots won't give you the full benefit. Add olive oil, avocado, or even a little ghee. That tiny change dramatically improves absorption. And over time, that means stronger tissue support throughout your body, especially in your legs. Because the truth is, your mobility tomorrow depends on what you feed your body today. Number 5. Red cabbage. If your skin bruises easily now, or your veins look darker and more visible than they used to, this one matters. Red cabbage is loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that help strengthen blood vessels and protect collagen from breaking down. Think of your blood vessels like tiny garden hoses. As collagen weakens, those hoses become fragile and leaky. That's when swelling, spider veins, and puffiness start appearing. Red cabbage helps support those delicate vessels before more damage happens. And here's something fascinating. Older adults who regularly ate red cabbage showed improvements in skin resilience and circulation within weeks. But please don't overcook it. Raw or lightly steamed works best. A simple slaw with apple cider vinegar and olive oil can be incredibly powerful. Sometimes the foods that look the simplest are doing the most behind the scenes. Now the next vegetable was hated by almost every child growing up, but your body may absolutely love it now. Number 4. Brussels sprouts. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, or your knees feel unstable getting out of a chair, your body may be struggling to rebuild tissue fast enough. Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamin C and sulforaphane, compounds linked to repair and regeneration pathways inside the body. In other words, they help signal your body to start rebuilding again. And after 60, that signal becomes incredibly important, because your body doesn't repair itself automatically the way it once did. You have to support the process. Many seniors notice improved flexibility and less stiffness after consistently eating cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts. But again, preparation matters. Don't burn them until they're dark brown and bitter. Light steaming or gentle roasting preserves the nutrients your joints actually need. And now we're entering the top 3. These next vegetables are especially powerful for swelling, mobility, and collagen support. Number 3. Spinach. If your calves cramp at night, or your legs feel tight and stiff after sitting, your body may be lacking magnesium, and spinach is one of the best natural sources. Magnesium helps muscles relax, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation that contributes to swelling. But spinach does something else too. It contains compounds that help slow collagen breakdown inside your tissues. That means stronger support for your joints, skin, and blood vessels. The key is not destroying it with too much heat. Fresh spinach in salads or lightly wilted works beautifully, and many people report something interesting after eating it consistently. Their legs simply feel less tired, as if their body is finally getting what it's been missing. Now, number 2 is the one almost nobody expects, and it may be one of the most powerful vegetables for rebuilding aging tissue naturally. Number 2, Romanesco. Most people walk past this strange-looking vegetable without even knowing its name. But Romanesco may be one of the most underrated foods for aging joints and circulation. It's packed with compounds that support detoxification, reduce inflammation, and help protect collagen from breaking down. Because here's something important. When inflammation stays high in the body for years, collagen gets destroyed faster than your body can replace it. That's why swelling becomes chronic. That's why knees stiffen. That's why skin loses firmness. Romanesco helps calm that internal damage, and many older adults notice reduced pressure in their knees and ankles surprisingly quickly after adding more cruciferous vegetables to their meals. Light steaming works best. Add olive oil, garlic, and turmeric for even stronger anti-inflammatory support. And finally, the number 1 vegetable. The tiny green ingredient most people scrape off their plate without realizing it may be helping their body more than almost anything else. Number 1, parsley. Yes, parsley. Not as decoration, not as garnish, as medicine from your kitchen. Parsley contains an astonishing amount of vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for collagen production. But it also helps support circulation and fluid balance naturally. That means less swelling, less heaviness, less puffiness in the legs. And over time, many people notice stronger hair, firmer skin, more stable joints, better recovery after walking. The key is consistency. A handful every day in salads, soups, smoothies, or blended into sauces. Simple, affordable, powerful. And maybe that's the most important message in this entire video. Your body is not asking for perfection. It's asking for support. Small daily choices repeated consistently can slowly rebuild strength from the inside out. So now I want to ask you, which of these vegetables surprised you the most? And which one are you going to start eating this week? Tell me in the comments below. And if this video helped you see your body differently today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose legs or joints have been struggling lately. Because sometimes the information that changes your health forever starts with one simple meal.